Miss Christian couldn't have been drunk.
No, she had probably a little wine.
Thank you.
Whatever.
Well, Ma, you didn't tell this story either. Okay. Trump wins today.
Win what?
My mother said, win what? Georgia judge shuts down the Fani's effort to try Trump and the co-defendants together.
Oh, so
she wanted them all to be tried together under that RICO charge. Mm-hmm. That's stronger. It's funny when they have to sit there, like Young Thug has to sit in everybody's cases, and he looked like, why am I here? She wanted that for a comb over, and it's not going to happen.
Can RICO charges still be applied?
Yeah, but he don't have to be tried all at the same time.
They probably figured out. Right. I don't know what law he used to judge.
And he'll never be able.
Discretion.
He'll never be able to run for anything because he'll be sitting in court every day. That was her goal, and the judge was like, "No, you can't do that." A Georgia judge shut down the efforts by Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis to have all 19 defendants, including former President Donald Trump, to be tried together in October in the Georgia election subversion case. Fulton County Superior Court Judge Scott McAfee announced Thursday that Trump and the 16 co-defendants will move forward on their own schedule, with a trial date yet to be announced. The two remaining co-defendants, Kenneth Chesebro and Sidney Powell, sought speedy trials and are scheduled to begin in October. Remember, they want to go quick. Thursday order is a victory for Trump and his fellow co-defendants who did not want to go to trial this October. They didn't want to go this fast. The schedule laid out by the judge only cemented some of the steps in the pretrial process, setting up the possibility that the trial itself does not happen until well into 2024 or even later. So that's kind of helping him. They asked Fani afterwards, what did she think about it? And she said, paraphrasing, there's no skin off her nose. It doesn't matter to her.
When they run for next year, when are they actually, our voting is?
November.
Next November.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
While McAfee didn't set a trial date for Trump and the 16 co-defendants, the timeline he sets out in court order Thursday means they wouldn't go on trial before at least December. So it'll be next year for sure. The new schedule laid out by the judge signals he wants to start hashing out pretrial disputes with the batch of 17 defendants by the end of this year. The judge is ordering discovery to start by October 6th. So he's moving it along, but not that fast. He's like, you can slow it down a little bit. Mm-hmm. And if other ones have different cases, Fani's saying they're well equipped to do it. She said she did RICO charges with the teachers union, mm-hmm. and she was fine with that. They did similar, I guess. Mm-hmm. And it was more work, but she said her office is quite capable of taking care of it.
Okay. As long as she's flowing with it, because a lot of times when you hear a judge going against her plan to do something, mm-hmm. you quickly go, okay, what's going on with that judge? What's going on?
It says now this is where he might win. Potential case will compete with Trump's already busy 2024 trial calendar. She got to fit in there because he got 4 other cases against him. He is such a moron.
Nobody really cares, though. They don't care.
I gotta squeeze in to figure out. He has to have a calendar. Because on Tuesday you'll be at this person's trial. Because on Wednesday you'll be at this person's trial.
Think about it though. It's back to why people still holding on to him as far as their leadership or a potential leader. They feel like he's being railroaded. They feel he's the victim. Why you coming at him for this, and this? So. They always going to feel that way.
Well,
so it don't matter how many cases he has in the year.
Well, Emerald says, I love the name too. It fits so well.
Yes.
Well, that's the latest. When we talk about them, guys, we're going to call them the Mar-a-Lago Crime Family.
Crime Family.
Sitcom.
Yep.
And Emerald came up with that name, so we give her all credit for that.
Thank you.
And that's a good way to put them all in the same category.
Because he's the boss.
He's the crime boss.
He's the crime boss.
He's the crime boss. Mm-hmm. Well, Gambino won today. The Gambino leader, Trump, Mar-a-Lago leader, he had a win today in court today, Mom.
Okay.
All right?
That's one down.
Hopefully one down.
The rest of them are not.
All right.
Your friend Tyrese.
He's not my friend. Why you always say that?